Guys, tacos might be one of my most favorite foods to eat and one of my most favorite foods to cook on the Blackstone Griddle. Today we're gonna do a simple taco with a little elote corn salad. Gonna be sure to knock your socks off, and I got a new sauce to let you in on. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, to get things started, got some chicken thighs here. I like using chicken thighs, a little bit more moisture, a little bit forgiving. So I got about 5 pieces right here. And to this bowl, I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning. I'm gonna come in first with a little bit of this Essentials blend because it's got all your essentials in it. Next, we're gonna come in with some of this street taco. Good old street taco. It's been around for a hot minute. It's tried and true. I added a little bit of oil before just to make things, you know, just kind of slide around a little bit, makes the kind of like a vehicle for your seasoning, okay? And we're not trying to get too crazy here because we're gonna do some things with this. I gotta tell you about that sauce too. So, all right, we're gonna set that to the side. All right, we got our chicken. It's ready, it's chilling out. Our griddle is getting pre-warmed. We got our Mission Street tacos. Love those. Got our frozen corn. I'll buy this corn just in the frozen aisle and then just leave it out for a little bit. Got your cotija cheese, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of mayonnaise. That's pretty much it for our elote salad. Got our street tacos, some essential blend. We're good to go. Let's head over to the griddle. Let's get these groceries going. All right, to get things started, I want to add just a little bit of this graza frizzle. It's a little bit higher heat cooking oil. Just gonna spread that around. I want to come in with our chicken first. Takes the longest. And I'm going to put my chicken up here on this side because actually the oil will pool down here, and that's by design for me. And I'm going to put the corn over here so it gets some of that chicken grease. You want to make sure your chicken thighs are all got some nice contact patch because we want that flavor, that caramelization. All right, so we got our chicken here. Going to add our corn. But just like with the chicken, we want to fan the corn out so that every kernel has a piece of that griddle top. Once you got your chicken, got your corn down, we're going to let this cook for about 3 minutes and then we're going to check on it. It's been about 3 minutes, guys. We're going to come in and turn our corn over and you can see some of that brownness on that corn. That is nothing but flavor here, guys. Let's mix that around and again, fan it out so that each kernel has a piece of that griddle top. Heading over to the chicken, we're gonna give it a flip. It's got some nice color on this side. We're gonna just keep on flipping this chicken about every 3 minutes or so until it reaches 165 degrees. We're gonna pull it and we're gonna do some other things to that chicken as well. So stay tuned for that. The corn's got great flavor to it. We've turned it a couple times already. We're gonna come in with some of this street taco just to give it a little bit of flavor and a little bit of this essentials. All right, our corn's got great flavor to it. It's just a matter of preference of where you want to take it. This is good for me. I'm just going to take this corn out, put that into a bowl. And now let's head over to the cutting board to finish this corn. Our corn is ready. Look at that, it's got some nice color to it. What I like to do is make this while it's still hot, makes everything kind of gel together. To this, we're going to add some, this is just mayonnaise. Use mayonnaise of your choice and mix it around. There will be a full recipe in the description and also a link to the website with a full recipe as well. But we're just trying to make this creamy, and I believe we've done just that right there. To this, I'm going to add some cotija cheese, about a 1/4 cup. Love cotija cheese, very similar to a Parmesan cheese. Now for me, I like a little bit of cilantro. Put your cilantro in your bowl, give that a mix. Oh man, look at it there. That looks so good. Now what a lot of people will do, they'll come in a little bit more cotija right on top. Some crushed up Cheetos is great as well for this. A little bit more cilantro, just like that. And last is just some crema. I think it's good as well. What's great here is let this sit. Those flavors just meld together, makes it so good. Coming over to our chicken, let's see where it's at. Oh man, it's looking really good. Ain't got much longer here, guys. I'm gonna give it a temp. We're there already. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our chicken thighs, take them off. They are completely done at this point, but we're not finished yet. Let's head over to the cutting board. Right there, yes sirree. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our cleaver and we're gonna chop our chicken up. This is like a pro move here, y'all. I don't know if y'all have one at home or not, but cleavers are awesome. There we go, perfect. Got nice little chunks of chicken, so good. All right, let's go back to the griddle. All right, we got all this nice fond from where we cooked the chicken originally. I'll put that chicken right back there. And now let me introduce you to chili herb sauce from Blackstone. Depends on where you are. If you got this available, this would be like in your spices, your sauces aisle. It could be in the outdoor cooking, but most of the time it's not. Once we toss our chopped chicken back onto the griddle, toss it a few times, we're gonna come in with our chili herb sauce. And man, this stuff is really good. Got a little bit of heat, not much. Man, it is fantastic. All right, we're going to use this time. Going to warm up some of our street tacos. Woohoo, yeah. Our chicken, it's done. Take it off, put it back onto your cutting board. Serve this family style. Oh man, I smell that chili. That is fantastic right there. Flip our tortillas. We're gonna get our tortillas off. Perfect. Head over to the cutting board. Wow. Would you look at that? We're gonna get our little corn salad here. What do y'all say we make a taco? Huh? Come on, we'll get a little bit of this chicken right here. Yeah, buddy. We got our corn salad right over here. I'll put that right into our tortilla. Woo, daggone it, boys. I love this crema. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that. And for kicks, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this chili herb sauce. Why not? Cheers. Give it a try. Creamy. Texture-wise, I'm big on texture. The corn kernels got a nice pop to it. The chicken got the caramelization, got the little crunchy. Soft tortilla shell. It's a slam dunk. Really easy too. A little chili herb sauce really elevates that chicken. Give us a try. I promise, your family, your friends, anybody really will love these. Y'all, I appreciate you stopping by. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network. We see other awesome videos just like this. I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.